Alright, back on the line. Got the Freewing Stinger 64mm. This will be a re-maiden after letting the battery run too low and falling out of the sky right over in there and crinkling up the well, it did more than crinkle it up. It devastated the front end of it. Couldn't get enough support back into it to get it together where it looked decent. So plus the canopy just didn't want to fit on it after I put it back together, so wound up ordering a new fuselage for it. Alright, low rate on the ailerons, low on the elevator as well. Gonna go mid on the rudder, and we got a little bit of a wind, but I want to try the takeoff with flaps this morning. I did put this together using a 6-channel radio, so I set the ailerons up as flapperons. Alright, a little precarious. Wind's out of the south-southeast. I'm going to have to take off and to the south and then turn into the sun, so I'm going to try to keep it a little lower than normal on the takeoff. And here we go. Adjust the hat cam. Full throttle. Back pressure. Come off the flaps. Alright, it's just now starting to get trimmed out, so we'll see if we can make a pass a little closer to us. I do want to see what it looks like with the full flaps deployed. Here we go. Good, no ballooning or anything. Flaps are back off now. Time check, we're almost out. So unfortunately this flight was spent with just setting everything up. That's flying at half throttle right now. I don't feel intimidated with it falling out of the sky or anything, so it's plenty of power on it. Alright, let's start coming around for a landing approach and see what we can do with it. There's our timer. We got to come out of the flaps. They did not give me enough aileron control to make a few corrections there, so we'll try it without flaps. Worked out okay. Not a scale landing, but it's alright. We pancaked the nose a little bit. Bent the front landing gear backwards, but overall not bad considering I almost lost it there coming in with the flaps. Got quite a bit of deflection on the flaps. You can see there's takeoff flaps. And there's landing. I'm going to have to change that up a little bit, because once I went into the landing I just didn't have enough control authority there to correct a wing drop that I was getting. Alright, well thanks for watching. This is a Freewing Stinger 64mm running on an Admiral Pro 4S 2200 battery.